welcome to Lollipop Palooza. I'm Lolly, and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that's so wonderful. And I'm going to be reading from this very, very special book called the Bible. Have you heard of the Bible before? The Bible was written by people like you and me, inspired by God. Do you know who God is? God is the one who created you and me, the world, the stars, the moon, the animals, the trees, everything. And do you know why he created all that stuff? Because he loves us. And these are gifts to you and me, even our family. And so I want to start reading to you all these stories about what happened a long, long time ago and how things became to be. And we're going to start the very beginning. And this is called the first 7 days. Can you see that? In the beginning, God made the heavens and the earth. All was dark and empty. So God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And he called the light daytime, and he called the darkness nighttime. And that was the very first day. Then God said, "Let there be bodies of water, above them a sky." And it was so. And that was the second day. Bodies of water, that kind of means like oceans and rivers and the sea. And on the third day, God said, "Let dry ground appear." He called the dry ground land, and the waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. And he said, "Let plants and trees grow up all over the land. Give them seeds to make more plants and trees." And it was so. And on the fourth day, God made 2 great lights in the sky. The larger one was to rule the daytime, and we call it the sun. And the smaller one was to rule the nighttime, and we call that the moon. And he also made the stars, and he set them all in the sky to give light to the earth, both day and night. Isn't that beautiful? Then God said, "Let the waters be filled with fish, and let there be birds and wings to fly above the earth." And that was the 5th day. Can you think of other things that's in the waters besides fish? Maybe octopuses? Whales? I love whales and dolphins. There's all kinds of stuff in the ocean and the waters. And birds in the sky, there's all kinds of birds. I can think of bluebirds and redbirds and hawks and eagles. There's so many things that God created. He's so wise and so good. On the 6th day, God made animals to live on the land. He made sheep and cattle. He made creatures that move along the ground, maybe like worms and caterpillars. He made wild animals of every shape and size, like the lions and the leopards and the elephants. Do you like elephants? And my favorite probably is the giraffe with a long neck. And then he said, "Let us make people in our own likeness, and let them rule over the fish and the birds and all other living creatures." So he made a man. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. On the 7th day, he rested. He stopped working for a day and he decided to take a rest and just enjoy all that he had made.